Hey everyone! Today, we are diving into something that sets apart great coders from the rest. Is programming logic. It's the secret weapon behind clean, efficient, and error-free code. So, if you're looking to level up your problem-solving skills, let's get started. Why is programming the secret weapon of coding? Programming logic is the foundation of every great program. It helps you break down complex problems into smaller, manageable pieces, ensuring your code runs correctly and efficiently. And guess what? The more you master logic, the more versatile and valuable you become in the ever-changing tech world. Unlocking the power of algorithms and data structures. Choosing the right data structures is crucial, whether it's arrays, lists or queue. Understanding them ensures your programs run smoothly and efficiently. Plus, learning about time and space complexity will help you make informed decisions to boost performance. Famous people who use programming logic. Linus Torvalds. Linus Torvalds is best known for creating the Linux kernel and Git, tools that are central to modern software development and version control. His work demonstrates how careful, logical structuring can yield operating systems that are highly scalable and reliable, a testament to the power of programming logic when applied to complex, real-world problems. Grace Hopper. Grace Hopper, often called the Queen of Code, was instrumental in developing the first compiler and advancing the idea of machine-independent programming languages. Her approach to debugging and structured programming highlights how a strong foundation in logic not only simplifies complex tasks but also makes software more reliable and maintainable. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.